Hello, good evening, students. Is my audio and video clear? Is my audio video clear? Okay. So as you are entering the class, you can type your names. We'll just wait for 2 minutes and we'll start with the class. So same way we will go. First of all, I'll explain the concept. You can see we completed in the last class exercise 20A. So in this class we will do exercise 20B. So here we have a concept of right circular cone. So first of all, I'll explain you the concept. Then we will start with the exercise. So any doubt if you have, you can ask me. I will be clearing your doubt. Okay, let's start with the introduction. So today we are going to start right circular cone. So what is right circular cone? So first of all, I'll just give you one example. You can just imagine birthday cap. So that is an example of cone or right circular cone. So let's see the definition. The solid obtained on revolving a right angled triangle about one of its side other than hypotenuse is called a right circular cone. So what is the cone? So as per definition, see, if this is a right angle triangle, if right angle triangle is rotated along any two sides other than hypotenuse, like suppose you are rotating right triangle in this, so resultant will be cone. So but basically you just have to remember the shape I have given you here. So cone looks like this. Other than that, example if you think about, so that is birthday cap. It looks like this only. You can see here one figure. So same thing, whatever we have done with right circular cylinder, the same things, like we will be doing questions where we have to solve surface area and volume of cone. So let's see the formulas. So three formulas are there for cone. Curved surface area is pi RL. Total surface area is pi RL plus pi R square, which you can also write as pi R to R plus L. And then volume is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Now what is this L? You can see R, you know, R is the radius. R is the radius. We are already aware with this. We have used R when we were doing cylinder also. Then H is the height of the cone. H is the height of the cone. Now cone, we'll see. I'll tell you what is this L. Because in curved surface area we have L. So what is this L? If you see this one, this is cone. So cones, this part if you see, only this right circular part. So this have this vertical straight line is H, that means its height, then this is radius, because at the downside you can see one circle is there. So circles from center to the point on the circle, if we draw one line, that will be the radius. So that is known as base radius. So this is base radius. And now this slant height, this is known as L. So L is slant height. Slant height means which is not straight, it is little slant. Okay, so we can also find slant height by using this. So if you see just this part of the cone, I've already told you at the starting also, this part of the cone is what? This part of the cone is right angled triangle. This is right angled triangle. So a right angled triangle, there is one relation. The name of the relation is h square is equals to, one second, Name of the relation, we can say it's not a relation, it's actually a formula which you know by the name of Pythagoras theorem. If this is right angle triangle, see this straight line, you just have to see this one, this is height and the lower one is the radius. So this hypotenuse you can find. So this is perpendicular, this is base. So by applying the formula of Pythagoras theorem, you can find the value of slant height, which we write as here as L. So L square, it is equals to h square plus r square. See Pythagoras theorem, we know square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the square of perpendicular and base. So same thing, hypotenuse here will be slant height, height is perpendicular and base is the radius here. So we can find L with the help of this formula. So L, if we shift square to other side, it will become square root of h square plus r square. Is it clear till here? So I have told you the formula. See here, if I substitute the value of L, what we will get? Pi r. So L's value, what we have got here? Square root of h square per plus r square. So L is known as slant height. So is it clear till here? You should be very clear with the terms. Height is the h is height, that is straight vertical height. Slant height is this height that we will be here writing as small l, and this is the base radius. So is it clear till here? Anyone, any doubt in any of the term? Anyone, any doubt? You can make a note of the formulas. I'll just clear all these things. You can make a note of the formulas. Then we can just start with the exercise. This is 1 by 3 pi r square h volume. Okay, no doubts. Okay, but important thing here I'll tell you. Then I'll be starting with the exercise. That is very important thing. We know this thing. In previous exercise we have done volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder is how much? Volume of cylinder's formula is pi r square h. But volume of cone's formula is what? Volume of cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This thing is what? This thing is volume of cylinder. So there is a relation between volume of cone and volume of cylinder. So relation you can see, volume of cone is equals to 1 by 3 of volume of cylinder. This is very important relation. If you know one of the volume, other thing you can easily find with this relation. Okay, let's start with the exercise. So exercise 20b I am going to start. So this exercise you will find it little easy because the similar concept we are going to do. Whatever we have done for cylinder, the similar kind of questions we will be doing for cone also. So in this exercise, before itself I'll tell you, in this exercise 14 questions are there. In total 14 questions are there. So what I have planned, 1 to 6. See, 1 has MCQs. So 1 to 6 I will be doing in today's class. Remaining 7 to 14 I will be doing in next class. So this exercise we will be finishing in 2 classes. So it depends on the question when this class will get over. So I have already told you my plan. So let's start now. I can see no one has any doubt. So let's start. The first question, the radius and height of the solid metallic cone is r centimeter. The volume of the cone. So this is very easy, simple formula only they are asking. Radius is r, height is h. So what is the volume of cone's formula? Like what will be the volume of this cone if radius is r and height is h? So what will be the, yes, so Sanjay has given the answer 1 by 3 pi r square. So this is option 3. So direct formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volumes cones formula only we have to write 1 by 3 pi r square h. Good. Let's do the next one. It was direct formula. Second one is also formula type of question. The radius of a base of a cone is r. Radius is r. So we can write the given things. So radius is given as r. Height is given to us as h. Its curved surface area we have to find. So curved surface area's formula I have given. Curved surface area, so option number 3. Okay, second one you can tell me. First one is done. So curved surface area formula I have given you pi r l, where L is slant height. So what will be the formula here? In any of the option you can see L is not there. So in any of the option L is not there. So what we first of all, so that means L's value we can substitute. So L's value I have told you, L square is equals to h square plus r square. Okay, so that means L is equals to square root of h square plus r square. So here we can just substitute the value. So CSA is pi r into L. L's value is h square plus r square. So direct formula only. So which option? Option number second. So some of you have already given the answer. This was also direct formula. So this one is option number 2. Yes, so second option. Shiva Shankar has given the answer. Yes, even Divyashri. So L's value we have to substitute. So pi r L is the formula, but as per the options we have to answer because this is MCQ. So let's do the next question now. Third MCQ. So here we have to do little bit working out because some of the numbers are given to us. First of all, let's see what is given to us. A conical toy tent house, which is, so some tent has to be made. So tent will be like this. Tent you can imagine. So it will look like this. So base will be like, it's like a birthday cap only, like it will be open from down. Tents are mostly like that only. So conical tent's dimensions are given to us. Radius is 28 centimeter and height is also given to us. Height is 21 centimeter. So this has to be made from rectangular sheet. So one sheet is there. So that is rectangular sheet. This sheet has to be converted to this cone. So we have to find, see this sheet's width is given to us. How much wide this is? 22 meter, 22 centimeter. Everything is in centimeter. So this is in 22 centimeter. Its length we have to find. So same type of questions we have done. Same type of questions we have done while doing questions of cylinder also. If the metallic sheet is converted, to some solid, so that area, so area of the sheet will be equals to area of this one. Now here we have to understand which area we have to use, whether we have to use total surface area or whether we have to use curved surface area. So first of all we'll equate. Here whenever sheet type of question, just remember whenever sheet is converted to some solid, area of sheet, it will be equals to area. So surface area of solid. Now here surface area of cone I will be writing, but here we will be only considering curved surface area because in toy tent base will not be there. Total surface area is what? Total surface area is nothing but it is curved surface area plus base area. So that is total surface area. That means when this curved part is also there and this base cylindric circular base is also there. But here this toy when they are converting, this is open from down. It's just made, it's a tent. Tent is open from down. So here we'll be only using curved surface area. So sheet whenever it is converted into any solid, so area of sheet will be equals to area of that surface area of that solid. So here curved surface area we will be using. Area of sheet, area of rectangle is, yes. So curved surface area we have to use. So what will be the area of sheet? Area of sheet. Sheet is rectangular in size. Sheet is rectangular in shape. Yes, so Puneet has given. So area of sheet will be length into breadth, because it's a rectangle, so area of rectangle is length into breadth, and curved surface area is, curved surface area we know this is pi RL. Pi RL, so length into breadth. Breadth means width is given to us, length we have to find, so this is 22. This pi's value I can substitute 22 by 7. R's value is given to us as, R's value is 28. Then L is not given to us, but we know L's value. Here I'll be writing L, we know it can be written as under root h square plus r square. So L we can write as, here let's write the value of L, under root h square plus r square. In next step we can just substitute. So here we can do cancellation. 7 into 4 is 28. And this 22 also let's shift to other side. If I shift 22 to other side, it will get divided, because here it is getting multiplied. So L will be left this side, because 22 I am shifting to other side. That side only 22 is there, because this 7 and 28 cancellation we have done. This 22 will get divided, and here square root of h square. H is height square, so that is 21 square plus radius is 28, so 28 square. So L's value we have just written, then we have substituted. Now this 22 and 22 will also get cancelled. So 22 into 4 is also there. I just missed this thing. 22 into 4. This 4 is there. We did into this. Now 4. What is the square of 21? 21 and 28 square, you can tell me. 21 square is 441. What is the square of 28? Square of 28. (441) is the square of 21. I know every one of you knows that. What is the square of 28? 784. Now just add both of them. So here is my screen visible. So 4 into this we can write is 784. Yes, so what is the square? This 441 plus 784. If you add them, what you will get? 1225. So what is the square root of 1225? 1225, I think this is 35. This is 35. So 4 into 35 is 140. So 140 is the answer, which is third option. Yes, so 1225, the square root, when you will find its square root is 35, and 4 into 35 is 140. So third option is the answer. So 140 centimeter. Is anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? If no doubts, can I do the next one? Okay. Let's do next question then. For a cone, the ratio between the volume and the area of base. See, whenever ratio is there, I have told you write it in fraction. Ratio means fraction. Ratio is fraction. So ratio between which things is given to us? Ratio between volume, so volume of cone, and area of its base. So base area we can write. So this ratio is 11:6. So 11:6 we can write 11 by 6. So 11:6 I have just written in the fractional form. Now what we have to do? Height we have to find. So height of the cone we have to find. Now we have already written this. So volume of cone's formula we will write. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Base area. Base area. Base area means base is circle only. So base area is pi r square is equals to 11 by 6. pi r square and pi r square here it will get cancelled. So what I am left with here, 1 by 3 into h is equals to 11 by 6. Now let's shift this 3 to other side because we have to find h. So when we are shifting 3 to other side, here it is getting divided. See, this side it is getting divided. If we shift it to other side, it will get multiplied. So 11 by 6 into 3. Now we can do cancellation again. So 3 into 2 is 6. Then 11 by 2, if you divide, you will get 5.5. 5.5 units. So which is second option. Yes, 5.5. Sanjay, Puneet, Shiv Shankar has given the answer. 5.5 is the correct answer of this one. Yes, Yashashwini has also given the answer. Good. Yes, let's do next question now. The last MCQ. I can see number of students are very less. Please tell your friends to join the class. If only you will be present throughout the class, then only I will be taking or marking you as present. Okay, let's do this one. The radii of two solid cones are equal. So two cones are there. Suppose this is one cone and this is another cone. So two cones are there, their radius is same. If the radius of this is r, the other one's radius is also r. Because they have mentioned radii of the two solid cones are equal. And their slant height in the ratio. Slant height of this one is suppose L1 and this one is L2. So slant height is in ratio. So I can write it in ratio form. So L1 by L2 is 7 by 4. 7 is to 4. I am writing as 7 by 4. The ratio between their curved surface area we have to find. So what we have to find? Ratio between their curved surface area. So curved surface area first. Suppose this is first cone. This is second cone. So curved surface area first cone to curved surface area of second cone. So ratio we have to find. So first of all write the fraction. Whatever things ratio we have to find, that we can write. Now curved surface area's formula we can write. Formula is pi r l. So L of first cone is L1. R is R only. See, I have written. Second one again pi r L2. Pi r and pi r will get cancelled. So ratio is L1 by L2, which is equals to 7. It's given to us already. See here, it's given to us. So that means, which option is the correct answer? Yes, pi RL. Diveshri has given the answer. 7:4 is the answer. 7:4. Good. Punita has given the answer. Good. 7:4, which is option number 2. Okay, anyone, any doubt? So we have completed first question of this exercise. MCQs. MCQs are done and you can see somewhere they are formula based, some ratios are there and somewhere we have to do some calculations also. Yes, so Shreyasi has given the answer, second option. Yes, good. Let's do the second question now. Second question you can see on my screen. So as we do always, same way we will do. First of all, let's write the given things, then we will write what we have to find. This will make our work easy. So find the volume of a cone whose slant height is 17 centimeter. So slant height is given to us. Slant height we write by L, small l. So slant height is 17 meter and radius of the base is given to us as 8 centimeter. What we have to find? Find the volume. This was very direct question. Find the volume. Volume we have to find. See, what is the formula of volume? Volume of cone. Volume of cone's formula we know. Its formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So formula is, whenever I ask you, you can write the formulas because you have to remember the formulas. 1 by 3 pi r square h is the formula of volume of cone. So that means we need h. So height we need, vertical straight height, which we write as h. So we need h, but it is not given to us. But we know one equation. We know L square is equals to B square. We know L square is equals to H square plus R square. we know this thing will make use of this to find the value of h. So h we have to find, that means let's shift r to other side. So r, if we shift to other side, it will become minus r square, because this side it is getting added. So L square minus R square is equals to H square. So let's substitute the value. L is slant height. So 17 square minus radius is 8 square. And this square root, if we shift to square, if we shift to other side, it will become square root. So this is equals to H. So now we know we can simplify this. 17 square is 289, 8 square is 64, is equals to H. Just do its subtraction. You can do its subtraction and tell me the answer. So what is 289 minus 64? 289 minus 64. See, calculations, do a long question. You have to do the questions along with me. Calculation part, I am not doing any calculation. You have to simplify and share the answers. 225. So this is 225. Square root of 225 square is 25. Square root of 225 is 15. So 15 centimeter. We got the value of h as 15 centimeter. Yes. So h is 15. Kirtana, it is not 5 centimeter, it is 15 centimeter. Now let's substitute the value. 1 by 3 into pi's value is 22 by 7. R's value is, R square is there, so I'll write 8 into 8. Height is 15. Now anywhere if any cancellation is possible, we can do. So it is getting cancelled. 3 with 15. 3 into 5 is 15. Now what we are left with? 22 into 5 into 22 into 8 into 8 is 64. 64 into 5 by 7. Do this calculation and tell me the answer, because further cancellation is not possible. We have to multiply the numbers and divide by 7. Let's see who will answer this first. (22 into 64 into 5 by 7). Okay, Nikita has given the answer. 1408 centimeter cube. I'm not sure because Shiv Shankar has given 7040. See, I want maximum number of students to write the answer so that the answer should be correct. I can figure out the correct answer. 7040 centimeter cube, cubic unit. It's wrong. So Yatin has written, see, every one of you telling me wrong answers. 7040. Okay. So is it correct? 7040. Keep on checking the back book answers also. 7040 by 7. See, please, Yatin is telling again and again we have to divide this number by 7. I'm not sure. Okay, so divided by 7 also we have to do. Divided by 7. So if you divide it by 7, so final answer is 1005.71 centimeter cube. Yes, so this is the correct answer. So first of all, multiplication when are doing, so its answer is 7040. So 7040 we have to divide it by 7. So final answer we are getting as 1005.71 centimeter cube. Okay, good. I can see many of you are posting the answers along with the units. So that is really very good thing. Okay, let's do next one. Question number 3. Is there anyone who has doubt in this one? Till question number 2, anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Okay, let's do next question then. So let's see first of all what is given to us and what we have to find. The curved surface area of a cone is, so curved surface area means I am writing it at CSA. Curved surface area of cone, it's given to us as 12,320 centimeter square. Radius of the base is also given to us. Radius of the base I am just writing as R. This is radius of the base I am writing as R. This is 56 centimeter. So both the units are in centimeter. If the units are different, we have to make them same. So height we have to find its height. Let's find height. Whatever is given to us, from there itself we have to start. Like here you can see curved surface area is given to us. So when full value is given, we can write its formula. Formula is what? Formula is pi RL. So pi RL is equals to 12,320. Its value was given. I just wrote the formula because I know the value of pi. I know the value of R. So we can find the value of L. So let's substitute. Pi's value is 22 by 7. R's value is 56. It's given to us. 56 centimeter into L. L I'm just writing as it is. So which is equals to 12,320. Here let's do cancellation this side. 7 into 1, 7 into 8. Now this 22 and 8, let's shift to other side. Here they are getting multiplied with L. When we shift these two to other side, they will get divided with this number. So 22 into 8. So this number, let's see if it is divisible on 8's table. So cancellation try to do, don't multiply 28 into 8 and then do it. We can just see if cancellation is possible. 8 into 1 is 8, then 43, 8 into 5 is 40. So L is equals to 70. L's value, how much you are telling? 1540 if you do cancellation. 1540. So 22 into 7 is 150, because this is very common in many questions. It came when we were doing the questions of cylinder also. 22 into 7 you can remember, it is 15410 we can write. So L's value we've got 70 centimeter. We found the value of L. Now we can find the value of H, because the main part here is to find the value of this is 1540, so 70. Main part of the question is find H. We know this formula again. Yes, so Sushil has given the answer. Suchitra, Nikita, good. So we don't have to find the value of L, we have to find the value of H. So let's use the formula. Formula is L square is equals to H square plus R square. So H we have to find. Let's shift R to other side. So which will become L square minus R square under the root is equals to H. So let's substitute their values. So L's value we found 70 square. R's value is given to us as 56 square. So this is equals to H. 70 square we know 7 into 7 is 49. 2 zeros we can write. Minus 56 square. What is the value of 56 square? Fifty-six square's value 4,900 is the value of 70 square. What is the value of 56 square? 3136. Just do its subtraction. 3136, 3,136. 3,136. If you do its subtraction, what you will get? Yes, Suchitra, Anika, Yatin has given the answer. Okay, I've got it. Just do the subtraction and then tell me 4,900 minus 3,136, what we will get? 1,764 is equals to h. Okay, find its square root and tell me its value. What is the square root of this one? Find the value of its square root. So I hope you know how to find the value of square root. By prime factorization you can do, or by long square method also you can do. 42, okay. So already done. 42 centimeter. I was about to do 42 centimeters. See, square root I am not here teaching. Either you can do it by long square division or long division, or by prime factorization. Long division is more preferable here. Anyone, any doubt? Just take the screenshots along with me. But it's better to write also. In case you feel like I am very fast, I'm too fast, then you can complete solutions, the screenshot you can take, but calculations you do along with me. Let's do fourth question. Fourth question, what is given to us? Circumference is given to us. Circumference of base. It's given to us 12 meter. So, no, 1 second, I didn't read it properly. The circumference of a base of a 12 meter high. No, this height is given to us 12 meter. The circumference of a base of a 12 meter high conical tent is 66. 66 meter is the circumference. Find the volume of air contained in it. So volume we have to find. Height is given to us. Cone's height is given to us. Circumference of the base is given to us. So what is the formula of circumference? Let's see who remembers this. Circumference formula I have told you in one of the question of cylinder also. What is the formula of circumference? Formula of circumference? I know my students are very brilliant. 2 pi r, yes. So Punita has given the answer, very good. Even Kirtana has given the answer, 2 pi r. Whenever you see circumference, so its formula you can see. So you can write it's 2 pi r. With the help of circumference, we can always find the value of r. So what will be the value of r? If this 2 pi will shift to other side, we'll get the value of r. So it will be 66 by 2 pi. We can elaborate the value of pi here. So 66 by 2 into 22 by 7. See this by 7, it will go on top only. So here one 7 has to come. That 7 will go on top. Just remember in denominator, whenever in denominator's fraction, denominator comes, that denominator will always go to the numerator. So we can cancel 2 into 33 is 66. Then 11 into 3, 11 into 2. So we got our radius equals to 21 by 2. Is it correct? I hope you are solving the questions along with me. Is it correct? And in case in the flow, if I am doing any calculation wrong, you just let me know. Meter. Yes, 21 by 2. Correct. 21 by 2 you can write 10.5. I am just writing in fractional form only. Let's find volume now. So volume of cones formula we know, it is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 as it is, pi's value 22 by 7, r square, r is 21 by 2, so 21 by 2 into 21 by 2, because r square is there, so that's why 2 times I am writing 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into height. Height is 12. Height is 12. So we'll do cancellation. 7 into 3 is 21. This 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. Then 2 into 11 is 22. Then 2 into 6 is 12. Okay, so what we are left with now? See, prefer cancellation over multiplication first. So what I'm left with 11. 11 into 21 into 6. Denominator everything got cancelled. So 11 into 21 is 132. You can just write the, 1 second. 11 into 21 is 231 into 6. So 231 into 6 we can multiply. 6 into 1 6, 6 into 3 18, 12 plus 1 13. Okay, so what is the final answer? So this is volume centimeter cube. It's in meter. Meter cube. 1386. Yes. See here 11. I'll just tell you a short trick. Whenever you multiply any 2-digit number with 11, just write the number as it is. So 21 you write as it is. In between write its sum. 2 plus 1 3. So any 2-digit number, whenever you are multiplying with 11, write the number as the boundary and its sum you write in the center. So these are the small calculation tricks I'll be always telling to make your calculations easy. Yes, so Nikita, Suchitra, Shreyasi has given the answer. 1386 centimeter cube, meter cube. Sorry. Let's do next question. And I'm telling you, we are going to do question number 5. Till question number 4 I have done. I told you at the starting of the video, in this I will be doing till question number 6. In this class I will be doing till question number 6. Okay, so we have reached at question number 5, but I don't want anyone to leave without sending your names. Before leaving, you have to type again your name. Okay, let's start this question. Question number 5. What is given to us in question number 5? The radius and the height of a right circular cone in the ratio. Ratio is given to us. So radius R is 5 by 2. Okay. So radius and heights ratio is given to us. I'll be just writing in fractional form. So whenever ratio is given, we can write it in fraction. So R should be written at numerator and H should be written at denominator, because radius is written first. So radius by height is equals to 5 by 12. This is given to us. Volume is also given to us. Here I'll write volume is also given to us. So volume is how much? It's 2512 centimeter cube. Find the radius and slant height. What we have to find? We have to find radius. We have to find radius and slant height. That means L we have to find, not H. Okay, we have to find L and R of this question. Now what we will do? First of all, this relation will make use. Whenever ratio is given to us, what we will do? We'll make use of that. I'll be shifting H to other side. If H I shift to other side, I'll be getting the value of R. So R's value will be 5 by 12 into H. R is equals to 5 by 12 into H. Okay, so R in terms of into H means directly H also I can write. So R is equals to 5 by 12H. Now here we can write the formula of volume. Volume's formula we know because volume is given to us. Since volume is given to us, we can write the formula of volume. Volume is 1 by 3 pi R square H. This is equals to 2512. Now we have to see, we don't know R. R's value we know in terms of H. So we can write that only 1 by 3. Pi's value here, it's specifically mentioned in this question, we have to take 3.14. Here it is mentioned we have to take pi's value as 3.14. So whenever it is mentioned like that, we have to take that value, not 22 by 7. Because in such questions, we will not get our answer if we are using pi's value as 22 by 7. So if it is mentioned, we have to take this. R's value, R square. R's value is 5 by 12. H whole square I'll do. So R square. Now this H is there. So this is 2512. Now let's simplify if any kind of simplification is possible. This is 1 by 3. Let's remove the decimal. So it will become 314 by 100. Because here after decimal 2 digits are there. That's why in denominator 2 zeros will come with 1. And this square, if I do 5 square is 25. 12 square is, we can do, because it will become very big. 25 was small. You can also write as 12 into 12. If you want 144, you can write, but the number is little big. So I'm just writing 12 into 12. H square into H is equals to 2512. So till here we have done. Now H we have to find, because this is the unknown variable. All other things let's shift to other side. Now I will be writing here H square into H is H cube. H square into H is H cube. So here I have 2512. So here whatever is written at the denominator, because all the numbers let's shift to other side. So this is 3 into 100 into 12 into 12. The numbers which are written at the denominator this side, those numbers you have to shift to numerator, because here they are getting divided. When we shift to other side, they will get multiplied with this number. So numbers are 3 into 100 into 12 into 12. So I have just shifted the numbers which are written at the numerator. Those we have to, like 314 into 25. Okay, so these numbers we have to write at the denominator, because here these numbers after shifting they will get divided. Now 20 cancellation wherever it's possible we can do. We know 25 into 4 is 100. So that was easy one. Now one more we can do. Two table we can do this one. 2 into 1 is 2. 1, 2 into 5, 157. This is 157, 2 into 157. Then this we can write here itself. We can do 2 into 1. See, I'll write with different pen. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Then 4, 11. 2 into 5, 2 into 6. So I'll just, here I'll write what I've got. I've got 1, 2, 5, 6 into 1, 2, 5, 6 into 3 into 4 into, I think it is, I'll just clear this because I need little space. So what I am left with, 1256 into 3 into 12 into 12 by 157. Other than that, everything I have cancelled. So now we can see 157 and this number, if it is directly getting cancelled. If it is getting cancelled, you can tell me yes, 157. So we know this thing, whenever such type of numbers are there. Here you see unit place digit. Here unit place digit is 7. Here the unit place digit is 6. I am just checking with this one. I know when I multiply 7 into 6. When I multiply 7 into 8. When I am multiplying 7 into 8, I will get 56. Which is the unit place digit, same as this number. So let's try with 157 into 7. We'll just multiply. So 7 into 7. This side I have h cube. 7 into 7, 49. 30 by 39. 157 into 8. 8 I am doing. Okay, I did by 7. So I'm just checking. Then 5, 45, then 4, 8 plus 4, 1, 2, 5, 6. So it's getting cancelled into 8. Okay, so this type of logics we have to use. Okay, now don't do any multiplication. One simple trick I'll tell you again, because here cube root we have to find. Other side I have h cube. So h cube is equals to what? See, h cube is equals to 8 into, here I missed one 4 also, where 100 I cancelled. So 3 into 4 is 12, and remaining 12 I'll just write as it is. So 3 12s are there. 8 also I can write as 2 into 2 into 2. Here I have 12 into 12 into 12. So I have to find its cube root. I have to find its cube root. Okay. So in cube root, like in square root, we bring out 1 pair. Here in cube root 1 triplet, we'll take it out as one number. So 1 triplet, here 2 triplet, I'll take it out of the root as 1, 2, and this is another triplet. Triplet means 3 same numbers. So 12's triplet I'll take out of the root as 112. So 2 into 12 is 24. So height we found as 20 feet. Yes, I missed 4. I just wrote. By mistake, I missed that. Okay, thank. So 24 centimeter, height's value we got 24 centimeter. With the help of height, we can find radius also. Radius is equals to 5 by 12. Radius, let's find with different color. Radius we found at the starting only. Radius is 5 by 12h. Okay, so as height's value we found as, so here I am just substituting. Place of h I am writing its value 24. So 12 into 2 is 24. So R is equals to 10 centimeter. Is it correct? Height is equals to 24 centimeter and radius is equals to 10 centimeter. Yes, so it's correct. But our question is not completed here. We have to find L. So I'm just clearing this thing because the question says find radius and slant height. So let's find now slant height. We know height, we know radius also. So slant side's formula is L square is equals to h square plus r square. H is 24. So 24 square plus r's value is 10 square. 24 square is 576. 10 square is 100. So this is equals to, this is L square. So square also let's shift to other side. It will become square root. So L is equals to 676. Square root of 676 is 26 centimeter. Yes. R is equals to 10. Praveen has also given the answer. Yes, 676 square root if you find, it will be 26. So make sure 1 to 30 squares you should by heart. 1 to 30 squares. So that whenever such numbers, square roots are coming, easily you can figure out. Yes, 26 centimeter. I can see the answers. Very good, you people are active with me. Okay, shall we do next question? The last question of today's class. If till here anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. Anyone, any doubt till here? You can let me know. As I told you, in this class, we will be completing 6 questions. Okay, no doubts. Okay, no doubts from Tejas. Anyone else? Okay, let's do then. Let's finish this one also fast. You can do the question along with me. Let's see who will do this question first. Some special reward will be given to that person. So diameters of the cone diameters of two cones are equal. Again, two cones are there, cones are like this. If their diameters are equal, that means their radius are equal, because radius can be found by dividing diameter by 2. If diameter is equal, that means radius is also equal. So radius of first cone is r, radius of second cone is also r. If their slant heights are in the ratio, so slant heights ratio is given to us. Slant height ratio means again fraction I have to write. So I can write as L1 by L2. L1 by L2, whenever ratio is there, first of all write fraction symbol, that this thing. Then write whatever is written first. So first cones to second cones slant heights ratio I am writing 5 by 4. So this is given to us. Find the ratio of their curved surface area. So very easy question. Curved surface areas ratio we have to find. So of cone 1, curved surface area of cone 1, then curved surface area of cone 2. So it's very easy. We can just substitute the formula, which is pi r L1, because the slant height of the first cone is L1. Then here pi r L2. Radius is same, that's why both the cases I am writing r only. Pi r and pi r will get cancelled. L1 by L2 we know it is 5 by 4. So I can write 5 by 4. So their ratio is 5:4. See here, I'll tell you one thing. Many students, what they will do. First of all, they will just multiply this 22 by 7, then r into L1, L1's value 5, something they will do. Don't do any multiplication in these chapters. Try to focus more on the cancellations like the way we are doing here. 5:4. So Kirtana has given the answer. So Chitra has given, they have given before me. Very good. Rehan, Anika ji, Janvi, Hasiba. Okay, very good. So in exactly 1 hour, we have completed question number, we have completed 6 questions, and these 6 questions you can see they includes MCQs also. MCQs itself, they have, it was 5 questions. So you can see the speed now, because cylinder, it was just starting of the chapter. Now we have learned the concept. So very fast we are doing the questions of cone. So if anyone has any doubt, you can let me know. If no doubts are there, you can just type your name and leave the class. We'll be continuing the class from question number 7. And within one class, we'll complete the entire exercise, because only 14 questions are there. No doubts. Don't forget to type your name. Then only you leave. And if you like the class also, you can like the video stream also. I can see very few likes. So 43 students are there. So 43 likes should be there. There are no likes. Only 7 likes. If you are liking the classes, please like the video also. Okay students, bye bye everyone. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.